Hello, what's up my people? How are they? I don't care another update carry come. I will make we talk about this particular update. And the update I won't talk about today now, this update where they call KudiTube. Now I know say most people for Nigeria, when they see things like this, they think they shock their brain well. So no be everything when you see like this go they shock your brain. First of all, we need to review them. So today we go talk about KudiTube. We go check how their system there. I go tell you now whether the update make sense or no make sense. No allow numbers, they deceive you. Before I continue, make sure you like this video, share this video, and share these videos. They're very important. Make sure you share this video. I beg, help me share this video. Share the video. They make you comments where they watch this video from. Make you don't forget to subscribe so that you go to collect better update for my side. Okay. Thank you very much. Now this one first of all, this one will be financial advice. Me I no be financial advisor. I just want to come do review. Now review how they do, no be tutorial how they do. I just want to clarify that part so that make una know. Now wetin be KudiTube now up the way contact say if you dey watch videos, make you dey collect, if you dey read articles, make you dey collect, and other things. Then I think they get 3 or 4 things where they say if you do make you dey collect. So I dey go through Facebook. Now I can see say this girl, I been a woman, I don't know who she be. She posts this thing for her Facebook. So for the past 2 days, I dey see people they post these things for Facebook. This one go post a lot, this one go post a lot, this one go post a lot. So me I can say wetin dey happen? I be get wetin I dey miss. So I can say make I check and where I can check say na this update, and they post a lot. They post a lot. I say okay, no wahala sha. Make I follow go check out the update. Make I see as the update day. I can say okay, before I do anything, make I see wetin dem talk say we go do here. Make we dey collect. So I can go click on one of their video because they say watch video. As I can go click on that video, then they display one YouTube, they embed YouTube video. The video now almost 3-minute video where they say make we watch, and they say if you watch that video finish, say you go collect I been a 5k, I been a 10k. I mean, I don't do this online since 2021. I never see any platform where they pay person 5k make you watch video for one single video. Go America, come back. No 5k fee be around $3. No platform fee pay you 5k make you go watch one video. It don't make any sense. It doesn't make sense. So I can't go see say the video now 3 minutes, and according to them, they say you need to watch the whole 3 minutes. I can't come up because I know say this one no go make any sense. I can't go check the article. The article now the same thing. And what's in they bother me about this website? They say ads just there everywhere. Before I want sign up, ads go just carry you go another thing. Ads just stay everywhere. Then they can't get their affiliate program and things like that. Me I can't say okay, make I no conclude. Make I do some more research. You understand? I say make I no conclude because if it like this, I say make I no conclude. So the first research what I do, I say make I check their customer service. Number one, they don't get any active customer service. That's the first red flag. They don't get any active customer service. So what thing they do be say they create WhatsApp channel. And as they create this particular WhatsApp channel, they open. Because WhatsApp channel they open. So the only thing you can do on a WhatsApp channel is for you to react. That's the only thing you can do. So they just create the WhatsApp channel, then they post their stuff there. So they open. Now I say make I check the other side. I can't go check their other options where they there. Their Telegram. I can't go open Telegram. I can't go check their Telegram. The Telegram too, they open. So the only thing you can do, you can only react. And the only reaction that is allowed is either thumbs up or love emoji or happy face. Apart from those 3 emoji, if you react any other thing with that, with the happy you, happy they sad. Now I can't say make I can't check another one. The other one now their ticket, they can't get their ticket option. Now this ticket option now, when if you message them through open ticket, then they go respond to you through email. So I can't notice say okay, so this platform resemble one platform like that we been come out few months ago. Which platform be that? And they call them Audio Lex. Remember that platform where they call Audio Lex? Now the same thing where these people, now the same pattern where Audio Lex get, now the where these people get. It permits me to say that the same people will get Audio Lex now then get this platform. The same pattern, the same customer service pattern, and the same everything. The only difference be say Audio Lex then say stream music, while this one then say watch video. That is the only difference. So I can't say make I no conclude. Can't go check Trustpilot. Wetin be Trustpilot? Trustpilot na platform wey be say you go dey rate update wey dey go dey rate am for Trustpilot. So I can't go check them for Trustpilot. I can't say they get 0 star rating. Nobody don't rate them yet for Trustpilot, which means it's either a new platform or nobody don't rate them yet, or nobody get time to rate them. That's another option. I can't say, okay, make I check when they register their domain name. So I can't go open who is. They register them on February 11. Now when they register this particular domain name, KudiTube. It doesn't make sense. Very soon, very soon, they go just allow you watch. Once you reach time to come out, they say once you reach time to come out your smart thing, they go to say me you come pay. Now channel this, channel that, and you can come pay your money. Now so your money go carry go, because it happened to me for Audio Lex. It happened to me. I just say, okay, make I try them so that I've got can do video. As I try them, everything where I talk now waiting happen for Audio Lex. People suffer, people cry. Now Nigerians don't forget about that side. As Nigerians forget about Audio Lex, these people they come back again with another strategy. So all these things now just for them to get more views. They go they promote videos for YouTube, all those kind of things, and then they run ads for this particular website. Then they run ads for this website, and this thing, and then they collect money for all these things where then they do so. And you will not go collect anything. Any platform will not get active customer service. Even Facebook get customer service. YouTube get customer service. Instagram get customer service. Any platform where no get customer service, run. Now these people, they don't come with another strategy. So I beg, help me share this video to as many people as possible. They work, go work, make sense, make you run. I beg, make una run, go make any sense. I know say most of una still like this kind of platform. Even if I shout from now till tomorrow, some people go say no mind am, make it share in the talk. This is new month. I beg, make we start this new month as smart people. We dey very smart, so make we start this new month as smart people, so that these people no go use us do saraka this new month. Okay, so my people, now waiting and coming to control and be that.